Hello everyone, my name is Lizzie and welcome to my channel. Please click on the bell icon, subscribe to this channel, like and comment on our video. Let me show you how to make this healthy vegetable fried rice. So I'll be starting off by preparing the chicken broth for the fried rice. In the pot, I'll put my clean washed chicken in the pot, then I'll add my different spices: rosemary, salt. I have my seasoning cubes, my chicken stock. I'll be using two different brands of chicken stocks: curry, thyme, bay leaf. Then in my blender, I'll be blending in my ginger, garlic, habanero pepper and onion. I'll blend it, then I'll put everything inside the pot. Allow it to sit for like 30 minutes before I will start the boiling process. I do this to allow the spices to get into the chicken properly before I start boiling. I have to change this pot to a bigger pot where I'll be able to stir the chicken properly. Then I'll allow it to sit for 30 minutes to marinate properly before we start up the cooking process. So our chicken have been boiling for some time and it has released its own juice. But as you can see, this is not going to be enough and the chicken is not well cooked. So I have to pour more water into the chicken, just a little water. That will be enough for the chicken to cook. I'll pour a little water, then I'll close the pot and allow the chicken to cook for another 5 minutes. Our chicken has been boiling for 10 minutes and it's all ready. As you can see, it's nicely cooked. So I'm going to set aside. I washed and soaked my rice in hot water for 10 minutes off camera. And as you can see, our rice is ready. I'll be using the meat stock from the boiled chicken to prepare our rice. Be careful at this point not to add too much of it to prevent the rice from getting soggy. I'll stir and mix everything properly before I'll cover with a foil and cook on low heat. In my second border, I'll start frying the chicken in a pan. I'll set it aside, then I'll start working on the vegetable. I'll have to stir fry the vegetables so everything will get ready at the same time with the rice. In a heated pan, spray in some groundnut vegetable oil and start frying your shrimps. When this is ready, I'll set it aside and start stir frying the vegetables one after the other. If you have watched my video up until now, kindly click on the subscribe button, share, like, and turn on your post notification button so you'll be able to get our videos whenever we upload a new video. Our shrimp is ready. I'll take it off. Then I'll start stir frying my vegetables. I like starting off with my onion, then I'll add my nicely chopped carrots. I'll stir for a while before I add the vegetables one after the other. I'll be listing out all the vegetables that were used one after the other in my description box. Do well to check them out. I added the green beans. I like to cook for some time. Next is my green and red bell pepper. So I need these vegetables to be very crunchy. So I have to stir fry this whole process in a short time. I'll stir fry, then I introduce my next vegetable. My spring onion comes in and my purple cabbage comes in. Then I stir everything together on low heat. Please take notes on low heat. At this point, I'll be adding salt and seasoning cube to taste. I'll mix properly and taste for any adjustments. Yeah, at this point, the vegetable is ready. I'll add the shrimps and that's it. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon so you'll be able to get notification. Kindly drop a comment and I'll be at the comment section to answer all your questions or take your suggestions. If there's any video you want me to make, kindly ask and I'll make the video for you. Don't forget to share the video with your loved ones. Help my channel to grow. Our vegetable is ready now. So I'll be adding it into the rice and start mixing everything together. Keep adding the stir-fried vegetables and you continue stirring and everything will come together nicely. Just be patient. Do it step by step. Adding some more. You stir until everything goes in. Wow, this is looking so lovely. As you can see, our rice is coming out nice and delicious. Just keep stirring on low heat. You can as well do it in batch. You stir fry the rice and the sauce in little batches, but I can handle it. I'll continue stirring until the rice is mixed properly and you can single out the rice. They are not stuck together. Everything is free. And our vegetable fried rice is ready. You can now serve it and enjoy it with your fried chicken. I'll see you again. Bye.